Hello everyone, it's Will again here with K9TC. I'll give you a little tip on camo. The few things you're going to need for this project is your camo duct tape, whether it be digi or mossy oak or whatnot. The only ones they had in when I went to buy this was the digi, so yeah, I bought the digi. And you can also see that pellet gun I also did in digi too. So some kind of cutting tool. For this occasion I'm actually using a little Winchester pocket knife by Winchester, and it's sharp. Got another knife, but obviously it's, you know, a little bit too big. And you're gonna need possibly a pair of scissors. These are the just regular scissors, nothing special. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our ammo case, and we're still going to have the ability to see here. This probably because it's still unopened. Looks like I haven't opened this one yet. These happen to be the CB 22 shorts, little subsonics. So we're still going to be able to open this from let's see here, from either direction. So even though you get with the shorts, you can still put the longs in there. Shot shells, whatever. These are nice to have hanging around. Just sometimes I'll put shot shells and just different calibers on them hanging around. That way I have them. For example, we've got two here. This is an older one, so I'm actually able to open this from both directions. This I'm showing you now is just like this one here, and it was actually the subsonics. And I have, for example, I have the Remington solid. Oh, like yeah, I got a crappie camera. I've got let's see here, solids, and Federal Hollow Points bulk pack. So it's a good way to keep extra ammo. Alright, what you're going to do is you're going to need to this one I'm going to go ahead and try to do without pulling the ammo out, is pull it out. This is the best way to do this, and just line that up. You're going to line this edge up with the edge, and just try to get it as even as you can. It's not absolutely perfect. It's not going to hurt anything. Just, they like to call it just your pride. No big deal. It happens. Alright, we're going to do that all the way around. And I'm going to show you when you do this how quick you can do this. Now, of course, I think they're like these rolls, a whole roll is like $3 at Walmart, something like that. So they really don't cost much, and I'm not going to be too worried for this demonstration for being absolutely perfect. All I'm concerned is throwing a few of these in my bob as a backup, And my thought behind this project is that, cut it off here when it overlaps. Probably should have grabbed the sharp scissors. Probably would have been the better choice to grab the sharp ones. Alright, I'm going to put our duct tape to the side. You could always use Gorilla Tape or whatever. Don't really make a difference. Like I said, this is Digi duct tape. You can use the pink. You can use Tiger Stripe. Whatever you're really into. I mean, that's, brothers and sisters, that's really up to you. Alright. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to cut the corners here. Remember, when you cut the corners, make sure that the sides are going to go straight down and the ends are going to fold in. So let's try to, need to sharpen this knife a little bit. Oh, hit it. Alright, let's see here. I'm going to make sure now go down to a certain point, that way we don't bubble out too much. And we're going to fold the insides. Fold the insides first. Just push it in and this is actually a very simple project. If you want to do the insides in first, hey, that's no problem. I actually, well, just put a strip on here. This one I didn't cover up the middle, but this one I did the insides first. I didn't throw one on here to show you that. Okay. Next we're going to focus on the top. All we're going to have to do for the top, are you ready for this? Let's just try to line it up. On both sides, just get her lined up. And push it down on. Just check to see. Well, shoot. That'll work. Let's straighten that out. And they're going to have these little flaps here on the sides. We're just going to fold those over and press those down. And then what we're going to do is, let's see if I can cut this straight. I always try to keep the extra strips because I never really know when I'm going to need them. And cut that off even. And while I was even trying to straighten it up. And cut this one off even. Alright guys, if you're going to use scissors, just do yourself a big favor. And cut the corners off a little bit here. Get you a pair of sharp scissors or sharpen your scissors before. Next thing is I like to use my fingernail and crease that line that track slides on. Now remember, the advantage of this is going to be so nobody can see you if you have to reload, or just something you're bored and want to do. Always remember, never cut to you, always cut away from you. Just make sure you get the corners. Okay. And what we're going to do is I'm going to push it a little bit. Find out where that little lip is. Score that with your finger. Cut that. And do the same thing. It's actually a little bit harder to do at an angle here, folks. Push that forward. There we go. Now what we're going to do is just pull this all the way off and make sure that these are tucked in. Alright. Make sure we got this. And there we go. If you really want to worry about the bottom, all you have to do from there is I'm going to press it down. So I'm doing two. And just sticking this up on the wall, and I'm scoring it. And peel it. And I could actually even score that down some more. Do that in half. But for the sakes of this video, it's going on forever. we go. You can access your ammo from either direction. There you go, everybody. I know it was a long video. I apologize. I want to thank you for watching the videos. I want to thank you guys who watch all my videos. And please rate or comment. Tell me what you think. Anything like that. I'll be doing another video here soon. And we'll cover the Altoids tin. Sniff you later, everybody.